Matt, tell us one super tip on getting started in real estate investing.
I think, I don't know, this might not be what you're expecting or what you're looking for, but I would think being intentional about creating your environment, particularly the people that you spend most of your time with. I think how peer pressure has sort of a negative stigma attached to us, particularly when you're younger and you're in high school. You hang around the bad kids, you do bad things. I think when you get older, you can take that same logic and just hang around the good kids, right? And you'll find yourself an amazing sense of positive pressure to perform, to take action. You'll find yourself around different resources that wouldn't have been available to you, different opportunities and different guidance and mentorship. So I think be intentional. Find the people out there that are actually doing what it is that you want to do, and become of value, become of service to that community, and that's going to be reciprocated.